The scriptures does not support the wicked doctrine, the curse of Ham, that has been passed around in the white supremacist culture to justify their actions towards the indigenous black people. The Most High often curse a person or a bloodline with leprosy. The scripture described the discoloring of the skin from leprosy as white as snow. If the beast system wants to associate dark skin with a curse, how do you explain the curse of leprosy? In the scripture, leprosy is the only curse mentioned that alters a person's appearance. Since the beast system wants to associate dark skin with a curse, the scriptures confirm pale skin is a curse. The scriptures give an account of Miriam, an indigenous black woman. The Most High changed her appearance with the curse of leprosy.